Your world has so many choices. The right choice should feel personal. Over decades, Stepan has built on the latest science and evolving environmental priorities to deliver a global portfolio of mild and safe ingredients that enhance your life and reflect your values. We're more than cold, hard science because at Stepan, every idea begins with an understanding of a desired experience. Every formulation ends with a recipe that personalizes care and performance. Chemicals provide experiences. Experiences are personal. At Stepan, we're always listening. In fact, as we track consumer trends, innovations, and category insights through every season, know that we have been listening all along. Our particular expertise in personal care, guided by our deep understanding of the consumer experience, means every project we take on begins with scientific honesty and ends with personal satisfaction. Where science gets personal.